Hello everyone. Welcome to your English first class of class 3rd. I hope you all will be fine. Students, in our previous video, we had completed lesson number 7. Now today in this video, we will start lesson number 8. Okay, so let's begin our class. Lesson number 8 given on page number 38, the adjective. Okay, read the following sentences. Shobit is an intelligent student. Archana is a pretty girl. Amit is solving a difficult sum. Ashoka was a great emperor. He is an obedient boy. So in all these sentences, words intelligent, pretty, difficult, great and obedient. These are the describing words and they are known as adjectives. Okay. An adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun. For example, Shobit is an intelligent student. So Shobit is an intelligent student. Shobit एक intelligent student है. So here the word intelligent add meaning to this noun. Okay. Now Archana is a pretty girl. So Archana is a girl who is pretty. So pretty adds a special meaning to this noun girl. Amit is solving a difficult sum. Okay, so all these words are known as adjectives. Now, kinds of adjectives. Adjectives are of different kinds. First one is adjective of quality. Arvind is an expert driver. This is an excellent book. My father has an old car. The rose is a beautiful flower. She is a very popular actress. So all these words, expert, excellent, old, beautiful, popular, these are adjectives and they describe qualities of persons or things. Arvind is a driver who is expert, okay, in driving. This is an excellent book. Okay, so all these words are describing qualities of either a person or a thing. So these kind of words are known as adjectives of quality. These kind of words which describe the qualities of a person or a thing is known as adjective of quality. Adjectives which tell us of what kind a person or thing is are called adjectives of quality. Now next one is adjectives of quantity. There is some tea in the flask. There is much water in the bucket. There is enough food for the guest. They did not have any money. They have lost all their wealth. So all these sentences, some, much, enough, any, all, these all are adjectives of quantity. Okay, some, tea, much, water, enough, food, any, money, all their wealth. So all these words describe the adjectives of these describe the quantity of things. In these sentences, the words some, much, enough, any and all tell us how much a thing is meant. Okay, so adjectives which tell us how much of a thing is meant are called adjectives of quantity. Then adjectives of number. Few sentences are present in the classroom. There are pretty trees in this garden. There are 20 trees in this garden. Many people came to see the fair. There are no books in this bookshelf. Some boys were playing cricket. So few, 20, many, no and some. These words, these adjectives tell us how many person or things are meant. Means few student, बहुत कम students, 20 trees. Okay, exactly the number. Then many people, बहुत सारे people. Then no books and some boys. So these type of adjectives are known as adjectives of number, which tell us how many person or things are meant. An adjective that tell us how many person or things are indicated is called adjective of number. Now, next one is demonstrative adjectives. This book is mine. These books are yours. That car is small. Those grapes are sour. So in these sentences, the words this, these, that and those point out persons or things. So here as you can see, this book, a particular book is mine. These books are yours. Those particular books are yours. Then that car is small and those grapes are sour. So here a particular person or things are pointed out here. So these type of adjectives that point out particular persons or things are called demonstrative adjectives. For example, as you can see here, this book is mine, these books are yours, that car is small and those grapes are sour. This and these are used for things which are near to the speaker. Means those things that are near to the speaker. जो बेटा पास में होता है स्पीकर के, जो बोल रहा है, जो बात बता रहा है, उसके पास में जो चीज़ होती है उसके लिए हम this and these यूज़ करते हैं. And for those things which are farther away from the speaker, that and those are used. Then in the chapter of pronouns, you will study that this, that, these and those also act as demonstrative pronouns when they are used in place of a noun. When this, that, these and those are used in place of a noun, they act as demonstrative pronoun. But in this chapter of adjectives, you have learned that they work as demonstrative adjectives. When they are used just before nouns, they qualify them. When these adjectives are used before nouns, they are known as demonstrative adjectives. For example, you can see here, this is my pen. Okay, so here this acts as a demonstrative pronoun. But here, this pen is mine. So here, this is used before nouns, so this is demonstrative adjectives. These books are my books, these books are mine. That is your car is demonstrative pronoun and that car is yours is demonstrative adjectives. Those are domestic animals, those animals are domestic. Okay, so these are demonstrative pronouns and these are demonstrative adjectives. So with this, our explanation part of lesson number 8 is completed. You have to read this lesson so it will be more clear to you, and exercises we will complete in our next video. Thank you.